Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're showcasing 150 unbelievable modern agriculture machines that are truly at another level. These innovative machines are revolutionizing the agricultural industry, making farming more efficient, sustainable, and productive. Let's dive in and explore these incredible advancements. We start with the John Deere S700 series combine, a marvel of modern engineering. Its advanced technology allows for precise harvesting, reducing grain loss and increasing productivity. Watch as it efficiently processes vast fields of crops, showcasing its impressive capabilities. Next, we have the Case IH Magnum AFS Connect, a powerful tractor designed for maximum productivity. Its advanced precision farming technology ensures optimal planting and harvesting, making it an indispensable tool for modern farmers. The New Holland CR Revelation Combine is another groundbreaking machine, known for its high capacity and efficiency. Its twin-rotor technology ensures gentle handling of crops, reducing damage and improving yield quality. The Fendt Ideal Combine is a state-of-the-art machine that sets new standards in the industry. Its advanced sensors and automation systems ensure optimal performance, making harvesting more efficient than ever. The Claas Lexion 8900 Combine is a powerhouse in the field, offering unparalleled harvesting performance. Its advanced technology and robust design make it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The John Deere 9RX series tractors are among the most powerful and advanced in the industry. Their 4-track design provides superior traction and stability, making them perfect for tough farming conditions. Case IH Steiger Quadtrac is a versatile and powerful tractor, designed to handle the most challenging tasks on the farm. Its unique quad-track system ensures maximum traction and minimal soil compaction. The New Holland T9 series tractors are designed for heavy-duty farming tasks, offering unmatched power and efficiency. Their advanced features and robust construction make them essential for modern agriculture. The Fendt 1000 Vario is a high-performance tractor that combines power with precision. Its advanced control systems ensure optimal performance, making it ideal for a wide range of farming applications. The Claas Axion 960 is a versatile and powerful tractor, designed for maximum efficiency. Its advanced technology and robust design make it perfect for modern farming operations. John Deere 8R series tractors are known for their reliability and performance. Their advanced precision farming features ensure optimal planting and harvesting, making them a valuable asset on any farm. The Case IH Patriot series sprayers are designed for efficient and precise application of fertilizers and pesticides. Their advanced control systems ensure accurate application, reducing waste and improving crop health. The New Holland Guardian sprayers offer high capacity and precision, making them ideal for large-scale farming operations. Their advanced features ensure efficient and effective application of crop protection products. The Fendt Rogator 600 is a state-of-the-art sprayer that offers unparalleled performance and precision. Its advanced technology ensures accurate application, improving crop health and yield. The Kloss Jaguar 990 forage harvester is a powerful and efficient machine, designed for high-capacity harvesting. Its advanced features and robust construction make it ideal for modern farming operations. The John Deere 9000 series self-propelled forage harvesters are among the most advanced in the industry. Their powerful engines and precision technology ensure efficient and high-quality forage harvesting. The Case IH 4400 series corn heads are designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. Their advanced design ensures gentle handling of crops, reducing damage and improving yield quality. The New Holland FR Forage Cruiser is a high-performance forage harvester, offering unmatched capacity and efficiency. Its advanced technology and robust design make it perfect for modern farming operations. The Fendt Katana 650 is a versatile and powerful forage harvester, designed for maximum efficiency. Its advanced features ensure high-quality forage harvesting, making it an essential tool for modern farmers. The Kloss Orbis 900 is a high-capacity corn header, designed for efficient and precise harvesting. Its advanced technology ensures optimal performance, making it a valuable asset on any farm. The John Deere 600C corn heads are known for their reliability and performance. Their advanced design ensures gentle handling of crops, reducing damage and improving yield quality. The Case IH early riser planters are designed for precise and efficient planting. Their advanced technology ensures optimal seed placement, improving germination and crop yields. Holland PLM planting systems offer high precision and efficiency, making them ideal for modern farming operations. Their advanced features ensure accurate seed placement, improving crop health and yield. The Fendt Momentum planter is a state-of-the-art machine that sets new standards in the industry. Its advanced sensors and control systems ensure optimal seed placement, making planting more efficient than ever. The Claas Quadrant 5300 is a high-performance baler, designed for efficient and precise baling. Its advanced technology ensures high-quality bales, making it a valuable asset on any farm. The John Deere L340 large square baler is known for its reliability and performance. Its advanced features ensure efficient and high-quality baling, making it essential for modern farming operations.